Breaking news.
Alright, well, Nathan's...
Manuel has been spotted.
I'm riding elevators. I was riding elevators with Nathan, but for some reason Nathan left. He's looking for something in this place. I'm gonna call this elevator. I don't know if he's... he said he was upstairs, but... okay.
Where are we going?
Oh my god, should I, like, do the thing? Okay, I'm gonna... Do they have blindfolds here? No, I don't think so. I don't think they, sell blindfolds
here. You were gonna... Oh, I know what you were gonna do.
I was gonna do the thing where I, like, look for the call button. Do they have blindfolds here?
Maybe. I'm not sure.
I don't think so. I'm gonna look for a place that has blindfolds. What place would sell blindfolds? Maybe this place. Maybe they have. Maybe Nathan's upstairs. Alright. You're coming?
Yes, I'm coming. Okay, let's go.
It's a Stella! Is this your first Stella?
Yeah, I think, yes it is.
It's bouncing. Do you see Nathan by any chance? I don't know where he is.
He said he went for dinner, so maybe he'll be in the dining place, if there is one. I'm not sure.
This is that Quiet Storm. Whoa, that was fun.
Maybe Nathan will have a blindfold.
Whoa! Oh, wow.
P21. P21.
Alright.
Goodbye, elevator.
It's a nice interior, though.
Yeah, it is. It's a bit basic, but it's nice. Goodbye, elevator.
Well, there it goes, and that's it.